Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine at your home. Today, in the series of short tricks, I'm here to tell you how to find the day of any day. At the end of the video, you are able to find out the day of any day. So, let's start. Before going to proceed with, you have to keep some things in your mind, that you have to remember the month code. First one is month code. It's 144025036 I know you think that it's tough to remember. No, I will tell you the trick to remember these month code. It's 144, it's the square of 12, and then square of 5, 025, then square of 6, 036. And when we add 2 in 144, we will get 146. So this is the way to remember these month code. That 1 for January, 4 for February, March, 4 for March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Got it? After that, you have to remember century code. It's 1500 to 1599, it's 0. 1600 to 1699, it's 6. 1700 to 1799, it's 4. 1800 to 1899, it's 2. You have to remember only this, 0642. Then for successive centuries and for preceding centuries, these 0642 will be fine. Then come to the day code. Starts from Sunday. Starts from Saturday. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Fine. So we will start in how to calculate, how to find the day of any date. So, first example, we took date 12th November 2018. So, 12th is the date, 11 is the month, this 2000 is the century, and 18 is the year. This is century and this is year. So, what we have to write, first of all, it's date. Then it's month. 11th is the month. So here is the month code, November. 11th month is November and the month code is 4. Here it's 20. Fine. So you are able to see that the code for the century is 6. 6 is the code. And after that, 18 you will write down like this only. 18 is the year. And last, you have to find out that how many leap years are there in this. So you have to divide 18 from 4, and 4 are 16. So you will find that 4 leap years are there. So you will write, and at last you have to divide it with 7 because there are 7 days in a week. So when you add this, you will get 8 for 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 2, 3, and 4. It's 44 divided by 7. So 44 divided by 7 is 7, 6 are 42. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So you will find out that 6 is the day shift. So when we go to the day code, then 6th day is the Friday. So on 12th November 2018 is Friday. I hope you understand this. So let us take one more example. Yes. So now we will take our Independence date, that is 15 August. It's 1947. So 15 is the date. 8th month is August. So you will find the code of 8th month. What is the 8th month code? It's 3. So you will write down 3. Century code is 0. 47 is the year. And when you find that how many leap year are there in this, then you will divide it by 4. 4 1 are 4. Then 7, 4 1 are 4. So 11 is the leap year. And divide by 7. So when you add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6. Then you add this, then you get 76. Divide by 7. When you divide 76 by 7, 7, 10 are 70. So in reminder, we get 6. So what is the 6th day? It's Friday. So on our Independence Day, it's Friday. So 15th August 1947 is Friday. So dear students, hope you enjoy the trick and do practice at home. If you find any difficulty, you can call me on my personal number and try as much as possible. Thanks. Have a great day.